Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You begin by making the devices ready. Power on the headset or speaker and your phone or laptop. Make sure battery is above 20% so the process won't be interrupted. On your phone, open Settings and enable Bluetooth or swipe into Control Center and toggle it on. Then, put the accessory into pairing mode. Hold the dedicated button until the LED flashes or you hear a tone. Once done, your phone will start scanning. Stay on that screen so you can select the device immediately. You now handle the selection and authentication. On the scanning screen, choose the listed name that matches your accessory. Manufacturers often include the model suffix, so pick the exact match. If a PIN or passkey prompt appears, enter the code. Most accessories use 0000 or 1234, or they will display the key on screen. Make sure to accept permission dialogues for contacts and media if you want phone audio or hands-free features. Once paired, the device finish by confirming the connection works. Play audio, make a quick call, or check the accessory status says connected. If it fails, make your phone forget the device in Bluetooth settings and restart both units before trying again. That clears cached pairing conflicts. If problems persist, reset the accessory to factory pairing mode following its manual, then repeat the process. As a single troubleshooting tip, test with a second phone if it pairs there. The issue is the original device's Bluetooth settings, not the
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.